How to fix IDM in Chrome. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to show you how we can fix the IDM troubleshooting method. So if you're wondering how you can do that, this is the process you may follow up in order to fix the IDM issue in your Chrome browser. So let's just get started and look out on how we can fix that. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon, and also turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any updates of our latest videos. So head over and open up your Chrome and head over to the three dot at the top right corner and open up your extensions, and you can go ahead and open up your manage extensions or your Chrome web store. And after that is done, you can open up your extensions. So here, if you have any kind of unnecessary extension, but before that, make sure this is enabled, your IDM is enabled, so that you won't be having any download problems. So if that is done, if you have this enabled and already fixed, what we're going to do is open up your settings again, and this time go to this help settings and look for updates for your Chrome. So make sure you have updated your Chrome to the latest version as well as your internet download manager. And after that is done, you can look up for the updates for your Google Chrome, and you can see my Google Chrome is up to date. But if it isn't, you should go ahead and update your applications like your Google Chrome and your IDM. After that, you can head over to the extension again, and this time we can look up for these options. So you're gonna go ahead and enable and disable this and look out if that is working or fixing your issue or not. So go ahead and open up enable and disable and look up if that extension is being enabled or not, and see if that IDM is working properly or not. And the next thing we can go ahead and open up is the settings, and we're gonna go ahead and clear the browsing history. From the before one, we're gonna go ahead and open up your browsing history, and we're gonna delete the cookies and cache of your browsing history. Go ahead and delete, click on delete browsing history. After that, you can select time res if you want, and after that select each of this and click on delete data. And after that is done, you should probably fix your issue. It should probably be fixing your issue. Otherwise, we can go ahead and update our internet download manager. Go ahead and type in internet download manager in your search bar, and make sure you have downloaded the latest version of the internet download manager, and that is it. So these are the methods you may apply in order to fix your IDM in your Chrome browser. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.